How to change the camera positions in Sequencer. In this project, if I want to change this camera's position, and here I scroll the middle mouse and I play it again, you can see our position is coming back. We play it again, you can see nothing happened. And because when we change this camera position, we need to create a new keyframe and we play it again. Yeah, you can see our position is changed. So if you want to change this position again, and also you need to create the another keyframe. Yeah, that's it. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like my content, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. See you next time.